boy KoolieBKoolin in the building. Y'all already know, bringing y'all another epic video, man. Look, I meant to bring this because we was planning on being in Hawkeye, you know what I'm saying, to start this video just to let y'all know. I wanted to shout out my man's Justin, man. The man gave a GoPro brand new demonstration. I think the same one I used, the Hero 7 Black or something like that. It's the same one, the Fully Cam, the Gap Cam, the same one of them. He donated it to the channel, y'all. You feel me? So I'm gonna drop his Instagram right here. You feel me? And man, I gotta show you love, and Koolie Gang, tell him good looking on that, man, because we got another Fully Cam on deck, man. He blessed the channel with that, man. Big ups to that, man. He was came out there with bro with the Audi with the RS7. If y'all look back in that video, that's him though, man. But good looking on that, man. And then another thing, Cuzzo, you know he with me. You know, we was about to be ripping today on the E-way, something crazy, I ain't gonna lie. But man, I don't know if y'all can see this. I don't know if y'all can see the drizzles. A little bit y'all can see it to the left of the screen, kinda. Y'all see the drizzles. But man, it started drizzling on the way to going to check this demonstration out, man. So we had to, it was a no-go for Hawkeye, man. She about on the verge of needing tires anyway. So, you know, the 22s for sale, the 20s need tires. Man, I don't know what's going on or what I'm about to do or what's going on, man. But look, man, we gonna figure it all out, man. But man, y'all can see the title and the thumbnail. Y'all know who car it is that we going to go check out, man. Yeah, we going to go check out the owner of the Mustang that MIAH had, you know what I'm saying, had this situation with, you feel me? And so we about to go see what's to that demonstration. He got a new one put together. They got the heartbeat in that demonstration. They got the suspension on that demonstration. I ain't gonna lie, it looked like it's a straight beast mode based on the pitch. I saw a little loop, you know what I'm saying, cage type demonstration. I don't know what he on now, but he ready to turn it on for real. He ain't sparing no expenses right now. So man, look, they coming hard. So I'm like, I gotta come get it dead on the channel, man. So we about to head dead over there and see what's good with it, man. Hey man, I ain't gonna lie, I want to take Hawkeye. We on 294 type demonstration too. And it's kind of dry out here, like as far as like traffic open. Man, look, we'll say that for another day, man. Might have to give y'all that POV one day of that. But man, y'all already know, if this your first time checking out my video, what to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure that notification bell on so every time I drop a video, y'all know. Let's get it, gang. Ha! Oh yeah, I forgot to let y'all know, man. Shout out the support on the Koolie Juice, man. Y'all been going crazy on it, man. I just wanted to let y'all know that we got this demonstration set up for shipping and everything like that too now. So if y'all want it, man, hit me up on Instagram. I'm gonna drop my Instagram right here. It's the same as the channel name, you know what I'm saying? KoolieBKoolin on Instagram. And we can go ahead and make it on happen, man, and get that drink dead to y'all, man, so y'all can see how that's delicious, you know what I'm saying, and tasteful, you know what I'm saying, how strong, you know what I'm saying, it is. Tell them about that Koolie Juice, cuz.
Get you where you need to be, man.
Yes, sir. Hey, they gonna see, man. Look, definitely rock with it, man. Hit me up on Instagram if y'all interested in getting it. I can get it dead out to y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? So let's get to it, though. Ha. All right, y'all, man. We at the shop, man. I'm about to go ahead and start dead to the vlog, man. Let y'all know. I'm gonna let them shout out the shop we at and everything, cause look, these boys made quick work of this demonstration. Like, I'm talking about quick work, man. Quick work. Let me go ahead and turn the dead around, man. Let me go over here to you, bro. So go ahead and let them know, man, because I told them, you know what I'm saying, so they know, you know what I'm saying, who the owner is and everything and what's going on. But we about to go ahead and show y'all the meat. Look how sexy this thing look, man. Hey, this is an upgrade, huh? upgrade, man. This thing looks sick. Color and everything on this thing already ready. Got the wing and everything on this demonstration. Yes, sir. What size tire you running on there, man? 75. Okay, small tire still, just, yes, sir. Safety first, y'all already know how it is. Safety first. Man, I'm gonna let you tell us what's going on or what you want to, you know what I'm saying?
Same stock 5.3, same nitro setup, everything. Stock motor. You're gonna be able to drive it anywhere.
Yeah, I'll see what he say. He ain't, hey, he say it's same demonstration. It's just new body, man. Like I told y'all, this was the owners of the guy that the car had got wrecked in that video and everything. So this, the new demonstration that they pulled out, you know, Hey man, y'all gotta let me know right now before we even look around. Just look at the car, upgrade or not. You know what I'm saying? Upgrade. You know what I mean? Upgrade. You know what I'm saying? Even just the rims, it came with the brakes and everything. So this was a complete roller, just
roller. That's it.
complete roller. And then y'all put the heart and everything from
The other car, wire harness, everything's back in this one.
Man, look. This thing beautiful.
That's why it's street car. It's just a stock motor on a little bit of spray, so you know, so he can control it. You know?
Right.
It'll be on kill, but
Right. So you got to crawl before you walk, yeah, because you know you gonna have to get behind the seat now. You feel me?
he's got a car. Everybody's got a car. Now I gotta learn it.
Yes, sir. That's the only way you get your feet wet, man. In my opinion, I can't put one together and not be behind the seat. If that's the case, I'll just sit back and just bet with pops. Like, you know what I'm saying? If I'm putting one together, I gotta feel it. You know what I'm saying? I gotta get my rocks off, man. But look, this thing look crazy, man. How many days it took y'all to go ahead and drop this in and everything? Cause I know y'all made quick work of it.
1 day.
One day?
We just got 1 day in it. That's it.
5 hours, only got a day.
That's crazy. Oh, y'all don't want me to get this in the background?
No,
or?
you good.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we covered up the motor.
All right, bet.
Covered it up.
You know, I know it's grudge is life, you know what I'm saying? So I know it's a lot of demonstrations around here, so I don't know who all, you know, I don't be wanting people to really know where I take it. If I take somewhere, you know, you gotta be low key with it, because people try and size you up and everything, but
You know, we're just trying to put the shop, you know, out there. A lot of people don't know what he does, man. You can look at the cars. He does awesome work. You know what I'm saying?
well, yeah, we definitely, I mean, come on, let me know, you know, let them know where we at and everything, what you got going on here and what you do, man.
A little bit of everything. From your daily driver, your fucking lawnmower, all the way to your race car. I can do anything and everything in between.
Right.
Chassis, engine work, whatever you need, can all be done.
Y'all do tuning and everything too?
Tuning it all.
Oh yeah, you go ahead. Well, man, let them know number, location, you know what I'm saying?
AXTMANN Automotive, north side of Chicago, 773-763-8333.
Indeed, man. And I'm gonna just leave all that information in the link in the description, you know what I'm saying? So y'all can go to the description of the video and look, don't go in the comment section, where's the shop and all that. I'm literally gonna take the address, number, whoo, slap it in there, boom. You know what I'm saying? So y'all go ahead and see, but man, this thing should be quicker, huh? What you think?
It's a little bit lighter than the other car.
Yeah.
Not by much though, because it's got a better cage in it, you know.
Right. It just sits so mean, like the way it sit.
This car technically should have a nice killer motor in it, but you know, it is what it is.
Hey man, it'll get there, you know. Y'all gonna boost it on up, you know how it is. He gonna just get his feet wet with this nitrous though, man. When y'all plan on having it fired up and everything?
Not tomorrow, the next day for sure. I mean, we can have it fired tomorrow, but we're not rushing it.
Right.
Make sure it's done right.
True. Man, y'all see the demonstration, man. Y'all know what's going on, man. They ain't got nothing to hide, like he say. Stock shit with a little bit of nitrous on there, man. That's it.
It's not even a big shot.
Baby.
It's a stock motor. It's a pump gas motor with a little stand on. That's it. I mean, you can't really throw that much at it.
Right. Well, man, y'all got any heads y'all want once this thing go ahead and fire back up, you know, and y'all get out there and play with it?
I mean, we ain't gonna talk no shit yet. I want to make sure the car is ready before we say
Right. True.
I don't want to be like everybody else and call somebody out and the car's not ready.
True, man. Hey, I respect that. Hey, that's 100 said though, for real, because it'd be a lot of people that they'll call you out and they'll be like, yeah, and you'll think you ready to go right now, and it's be a whole bunch of other extra stuff, a bunch of waste of time. Like, it's really more of a, if you ready, call. If not, chill till you ready. Just sit back, you know, have your little demonstration or something so you cool your nerves down, you know what I'm saying, and calm back and chill, you know. But yeah, man, I'm ready to see this thing dead in action, man. I ain't gonna lie, man. What's all done to the suspension? This stock suspension,
It's got an 8.8 in it, mini tub.
Oh, okay.
It's on coilovers. Yeah.
This thing gonna be right, man. I'm ready to see it in action, man. I'm ready to see you behind the wheel, man. You gotta do what it do, man. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir, man. But yeah.
We'll make a few hits on the street and then we're gonna go straight to the track and let him play.
Right. Track's opening up soon too, though, ain't it?
The Grove's open. I think the Grove is open.
Oh man. Yeah, we definitely gonna have to. Damn, the Grove open?
I think it is open.
Oh yeah, we gonna have to see what's to that, man. I ain't gonna even lie. Yeah, I've been missing that track action. You know what I'm saying? I've been missing that track action, man. Oh yeah.
He's the owner, Chris. That's his orange Mustang over there.
Oh yeah, come on. Let's get this demonstration on here and everything. You know, I don't know what all y'all want to show me. You feel me? You know, I don't know what all y'all want to show me. You know, like I say, it's grudge is life. Life is grudge. You know how it goes.
Right now, he's got the new heart going in his field.
Oh, so this your demonstration. This the type of time you coming on then, huh? Oh yeah, this race. This race. Ooh, you grudge this or this like a class car or?
Grudge car. Do whatever.
Oh, class. So you disclose time or no? Or how, what class? What class you run here? But y'all see, man. Okay. Yeah. See this? I ain't never even took it to this type of level. I ain't never even thought about doing it to this type of level, because this type of level right here cost. This costs money. You know what I'm saying? Maintenance and to just get it to ride and everything. Yeah, this one all the way together, man. So when you plan on having this one out?
Yeah, next couple months.
Next couple months off for this season then?
Sure, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, hey, we got to see what's to it, man. Hey, you know how they say, your work speak for itself. You know what I'm saying? So once they see this demonstration out, then they gonna know like, all right, let's come on and you know what I'm saying? But yeah. Yeah, oh yeah, most and definitely. But y'all see, man, look, I'm gonna just give y'all a little quick whoop around. You know, like I said, I don't know what cars want to show. Y'all think Maya want, you know, y'all think he want me to show his car something, you know, or he want to save himself, or?
Yeah, I think the show just don't go too far. I mean, the motor's covered up.
Right. Let me call him real quick, man, before I do this, y'all, real quick. Hold on.
93 Cobra. How many miles? 14?
Yeah, this one like the one that's, yeah, you don't really see these Mustangs around, I ain't gonna lie. This one stock or is work done to this one too?
All stock, all original car, 14,000 miles.
Oh, so this one worth a bag then?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this the Cobra demonstration. Damn, I ain't even peeped.
93.
Yeah, this like the demonstration that's on Forza. That's the only reason I really know that this exact, yeah. Damn, that's crazy seeing one of these in person right now. I ain't gonna even lie. I ain't even noticed that till you really, this bitch clean as hell too.
Yeah, this car just sits in the garage.
You say how many miles on this?
14,000.
14. Look at the interior and everything, y'all. Clean as a whistle. Clean as a whistle, man. That's crazy, y'all. I ain't even realized that this was a Cobra. Yeah, this thing shining, man. This worth a bag right here. I already know y'all gonna drop in the comment section and ask what he want for it and everything. I'm pretty sure it's not for sale, you feel me? Because if it just sit here and it's got this low miles and it's been here this, you know what I'm saying? It ain't going nowhere, you know? Man, that's crazy looking at one of these in person. I ain't gonna even lie. So Mustangs is the whip out here then. That's the y'all choice of weapon.
Yeah, I've been owning Mustang since I was 16.
Okay. So yeah, you say that's it.
I never made big power, so I had to go with a car that was light.
But now it's a different thing now, huh?
My car will be done probably like 2 weeks.
Oh, okay.
It'll be ready.
Ooh-wee, Pops, son and Pops gonna be out here doing their thing, man. When he bring his whip out too, oh man, look. I'm just ready for all this to be over with so we can really get this race stuff going on, man. It sounds like tracks is opening up and everything like that. So we might be good. Y'all already know I'm gonna be at the track left and right in Hawkeye, not in Hawkeye. However, getting the footage for y'all because I know that's what y'all want to see, man. But hope y'all enjoy this vlog. Y'all know how we coming, man. Like I say, man, the shop information gonna be in the link in the description, so y'all go ahead and get all this info and everything like that, man, if y'all want to get work done however y'all want. And man, we gone with another one, gang. Coolie.